Today, we're excited to talk about Kia's latest addition to their electric vehicle lineup, the all-new EV3. This subcompact SUV is set to hit global markets, including Europe and the US, with some impressive features and a stylish design. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about the Kia EV3. Let's get started. The Production-Spec Kia EV3 closely resembles last year's concept. It adopts modern styling cues from the EV9 flagship, with a few toned-down features like slightly tweaked LEDs, revised bumpers, conventional mirrors, and thicker pillars. There's also the sporty GT line trim, which features unique bumpers and alloy wheels. The sleek body and 3D underbody cover contribute to a drag coefficient of just 0.267 CD. The EV3 measures 169.3 inches long, 72.8 inches wide, and 61.4 inches tall, with a wheelbase of 105.5 inches. It's slightly longer than the e-Soul and a bit shorter than the e-Niro, placing it right in the heart of Europe's subcompact SUV segment. This means it's ready to compete with the Peugeot E2008, Volvo EX30, Mini Aceman, and Smart One. Inside, the EV3 features a minimalist and futuristic design. It has a digital panel with a 12.3-inch instrument cluster, a 12.3-inch infotainment display, and a separate 5-inch touchscreen for climate controls. Most buttons are conveniently located on the steering wheel, with just a few physical controls on the dashboard. The center console is practical, with storage compartments and a sliding table that can be used when the vehicle is stationary. The front seats even have a fold-back relaxation mode. The EV3 comfortably seats 5 passengers and offers a 460-liter boot and a 25-liter frunk. Kia also uses sustainable materials for the upholstery, including recycled fabric and plastic. The EV3 rides on the eGMP platform but with a 400-volt architecture. It offers a single electric motor and 2 battery options. The standard model has a 58.3 kilowatt-hour battery, while the long-range variant comes with a larger 81.4 kilowatt-hour unit. The long-range version boasts an impressive WLTP range of 600 km or 373 miles. When connected to a rapid charger, the larger battery can charge from 10 to 80% in just 31 minutes at a 128 kilowatt charging rate. The motor generates 201 horsepower and 283 newton-meters of torque, accelerating from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 7.5 seconds, with a top speed of 106 miles per hour. Kia is also planning a performance-focused EV3 GT in the future. The Kia EV3 will debut in Korea this month, with launches in Europe and the UK in the second half of 2024. It's expected to arrive in North America by late 2025 or early 2026, with a starting price around $30,000 to $35,000. Following the EV3, Kia plans to introduce the EV4 sedan and a smaller EV2 crossover for Europe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest electric vehicles. See you next time.